I'm doing the hurricane simulator.
Alright, tell me what I need to do.
Just should be on.
Okay. Do I do flip it to or just stand back to get the whole thing?
Alright, so doing the hurricane simulator. Here we go.
Ooh, I want to feel Cowboy Fire.
Wish you could turn it up.
How fast do I go? Jumping off the head.
I might not be doing the hurricane simulator.
Ellen wants this. That's what I said.
There we go. Take my money. Okay, here we go.
Alright. That's not a really close picture, is that okay?
Someone tossed me in one. Yeah, like when I had long hair. I love having long hair and it whipping you in the face. And then we had a red marks on my face.
Smell like walking down the beach.
Yeah. Rest of my hair. That was fun.